the only FBA Amazon guide that you will ever need in this 2023. So if you are a beginner and wants to have a good career with Amazon, this is for you. If you have no special talent, no prior experience, want to work at home, and of course, if you really want to make a lot of money, just like any other people who are successful, well, this video is just right for you. So please consider subscribing to this channel, click that bell icon on so you'll stay updated, and watch until the end of this video so that you will have a successful career in Amazon. So let's get into the video. So let us talk about the three main products. So first is the arbitrage products. So these are the products that you could find in your local market or in your local shopping areas, and as well as in the other online shopping platforms. So just like here in the Robert Dias, I have here a training ball which I can sell and get more profit from it by reselling it on Amazon, and then having or triple the profit for it. So you can just buy it and resell it to Amazon, which is a good strategy for you to start with. So the next thing is wholesale products. So these are products that you get from the suppliers, and you will act as a retailer where you sell the products in bunches, or where you buy the products in bunches and then you sell it for a higher price in Amazon. For example, here in the Robert Dias, so this is the supplier of these training balls. You can actually sell this back to Amazon for double the price, which you can, I say, is a very good profit. But if you have bought many of this, you can have a lot of profit, since it is like a wholesale product, or you act as a retailer for this kind of product. So the next products are the private label products. So these products are products such as you can find in Alibaba.com. So in Alibaba.com, I have here a USB Type-C charger where I can buy it. So since it has no label or anything, or any brand or some kind of that thing, but I can buy it, and then what am I going to do is to rename that product as my own product, and then what you can do is list it on the Amazon website as your product, and you can resell it for profit or a price that is way much higher than the one that you have bought in Alibaba.com. Alright, so moving on to the three products. So you would only need to find the arbitrage in the wholesale products, because these two types of products are already selling in the Amazon website. So you don't need to do anything more complicated, since, as I have said, it is already selling. So what you can do for this, and to take advantage of it, you can just sell the same listing from any other seller, even if it is in Amazon or in the same selling website or online selling website. You can just list it as your product. So you can take some product, for example, a ball for sports. So you can just buy or list a product that's the same with that kind of product, but you could tweak some information of it and list it as yours. So that's it on how or why you could just find for the arbitrage products and the wholesale products. So your life or your Amazon selling journey wouldn't be complicated anymore. So let us move on to the topic of product category. So in here, when you are selling in Amazon, you don't need to worry about anything because everything in Amazon sells. This means that whatever category or whatever product you have decided to sell in your Amazon account, it would sell with the help of good marketing and good listing of products. So you don't need to miss out on any other opportunities or any other products that could help you profit by focusing on only one product. So you don't need to worry about that. Let us move on to the topic of profit margins. So profit margins are the amount or the amount of money that you should have in return, or we should also call this as a ROI or return on investment. So it is said that a good profit margin is 30% from the amount of money that costs you to deliver this product and to make this product. So for example, we have here a product which cost me around 10 euros. So if we have followed that 30% rule from the thing that I have said earlier, so we should have a ROI of $13, since 30% of 10 is 3 euros rather. So 10 euros from the cost of the product and 3 euros from the 30% ROI that we should have. So we should have a money returned to us at around 13 euros. So this is how profit margin works, and you should take note of this. So let's go to the analysis part. So you can do your analysis of the products by visiting Amazon. So as you can see in this video, there are a lot of products here at the moment. So if you find a product, this is what you can do. You just need to go to the product information and see the bestseller rank. So if you see that the bestseller rank is below 100,000, then that product is actually a good seller. So you can use this idea that this product is a good seller, so you can as well have an idea that you can also sell this kind of product and sell a good amount of products as well in your Amazon account or in your Amazon selling journey. Another analysis that you can do is go to Google Trends and search if the product is seasonal or not. So just search it on the website, and then you can see here if the website is actually, or the product is actually seasonal. And what you could do next is to see if the suppliers that you want are actually reliable. So in finding suppliers, a good supplier must have the quality of being big. So this means that big suppliers are more reliable than small suppliers, since they have been in the market for so long or longer than the ones that are smaller than them. So another tip in the FBA guide that I am telling you is to learn to scale on your products. Since you are a one-man army, you don't need to have many products which you can't handle. So only delegate the products and make sure that you can handle them and send it to Amazon in time. So since this would also affect your reviews from your customers. So I hope this video helped you, and good luck with your Amazon journey.